Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while, I think maybe since 3 weeks since I last posted a video, but I am back today with a new video because I've just received February's Cozmo box. So this is an Australian subscription beauty box, and it's probably my favorite one. So I have gone through a few beauty boxes which I am not a fan of. However, so far CozmoBox has not disappointed me. Usually they do come in a prettier box. However, I think I have opened this before the video, so I'm not gonna lie, I did open this. However, they did put a note in saying that they're in the process of designing a new box, therefore they're setting out these generic pink boxes for now until they've got their boxes printed. So here we go. We've got the February 2022 Cozmo Beauty Box. When I first got it, it felt a bit light. I was like, oh, what's in here? So I've been really busy at work and I haven't been feeling well lately. So apparently I've got really low potassium, and then they diagnosed overactive thyroid, and I've been losing a lot of weight. So since August, if you watch some of my videos, maybe I'm not in there, but since August last year till this year, I've lost about 15 kilos. Not sure what's going on, so I went to see a doctor. They said I've got extremely dangerously low potassium. One's sitting at 2.5, and anything under 2.5 apparently is life-threatening. And I also got overactive thyroid, so they both have been played out. And I've been feeling very lethargic and I'm very tired all the time. So I'm working through that, getting a blood test. But I'm very excited to get this. And another update is for those who have been watching my videos and who have been following me, you probably do know I am no longer subscribed with BoxyCharm, because the company that I was with, which is Storks Shipping, got on bust. So the lady I spoke to, I'm not going to name her name, she told me that she no longer is providing the service. And I spoke to another customer online who happened to also have problems with her December box. And December box was one of the boxes I was really looking forward to, because it has some of the things I really wanted in there, but that's okay. So I rang up my bank, got bus, and she said she was sending out the box, but she hasn't. And then she said she'd provide me the refund, which she hasn't. And they want to check a website. The website's actually still up and running, and people can still purchase things on it. I just think that's very unethical, and she should not do that. I don't know what's going on, but anyway. So I rang up my bank and I put in a dispute, and I have got both my transaction back. So I got 150 for the premium boxy box, the Luxe BoxyCharm, which was for December's one, and I also got the 120 that they took off me in January. The lady I spoke to actually had more funds taken out. So if you're with Storks Shipping and you haven't received anything, don't expect to receive anything. I'll go onto their website and pause your subscription with them, because you're not going to get anything at all. So without further ado, I am going to go through CozmoBox. So as I mentioned, I did open it, and it does look like this. So I kind of like this. It looks very rustic and, you know, environmental. So as normal, you'll always receive a booklet which outlines all the products that you'll get in this box. And as I mentioned, they did put a card in here that says that they're in the process of, so you might be wondering why this month's packaging looks so different. It's because we're giving CozmoBox a new look. You'll be receiving a gorgeous new box very soon, so hopefully that's next month. I do love CozmoBox. So far everything's gone right, nothing's gone wrong, so highly recommend you go for CozmoBox. So per usually, the book consists of all the products that we've been given, and it goes to how to use it, what they are, and also the price of it. So I'll go to the first page. So one of the products was part of the sneak peek last month I've got. So this is the Embryolis Concentrate Moisturizer. It's a 75 ml, it's a full size. So it's this. Hope you can see that. Right there. And it is worth $42. So apparently there's really good feedback about this brand. So it's a global cult fave multifunctional skincare product. It can be used as a primer, which is good. I love using primers. Use as a primer, primer before makeup, a daily moisturizer, or a face mask. This is actually to help you recover your skin that has been dehydrated and dull throughout summer, and it pretty much revitalizes your skin and relieves stress to bring it back to life. So, and this is $42, and the box per month is $49 per month. I actually don't even know how much I get charged, but yeah, $42 already. This is close to the price of the box. So inside this full size, it looks like this: a squeezy bottle, which is 75 mils. There you go. So I do look forward to this. I don't mind trying out all new skincare, and recently I've began to use all my skincare that I've got from my advent calendars, which is great. Okay, the next one, so this is a really big box. So this is of $27.40. So this is the Nolilin Original Body Polish. And this is a Lono cream, and this is from New Zealand, and it's retail at $27.40. Looks really nice to the box. So it says in here it's from New Zealand. It's got honey there, and I do love body polish because for those who don't know, I do have KP. I have been using the product First Aid body eraser. That is really good, but it's quite costly. This is actually a good brand. If this is $27 and this is good, I'll probably start buying this because the First Aid Beauty is also 200 grams or 250, but that costs about like, that will cost quite expensive. I think it costs about $60 in Mecca. But if I buy it on, because I bought it on this special deal, so it was part of the pack, so it was quite cheap. But yeah, so this is New Zealand Lonelin Origin Body Polish. It's active Nuka honey, and the bottle is, the tube is actually really nice. It's nice and peachy and pink. I like this, and this expires in 2024, made in New Zealand. So it's conditioning and exfoliating as well. So I am looking forward to using this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I love anything that's fully polished. I never used to, but now I do. So already 2 products altogether. So that's $42 and $27. That's $69.40. So say $70 already, full price of the box. Then this is a part here. So then there's a mystery product. It's all from D&G, Dolce & Gabbana. You can either get a Precision Skin Perfect Finishing Cushion Foundation, which is worth $120, or a Dolce & Gabbana The Only One Luminous Color Lipstick, which is worth $67. I got the lipstick. I didn't even know, I didn't check. I really wish I got the cushion foundation, the finish powder, but this is still good. I do have a lot of finish powder, so maybe I don't need it. But the finish powder, the box is really cute. It's like this lacy kind of material around it. It's $120. And it says here that, note, if you've been part of CozmoBox fan for more than 6 months, we might upgrade you to the Precious Skin Perfect Finishing Cushion Foundation. So I think I really wish I did get this. However, this is really hard because you need to know the skin color of the people. So yeah, but still good, $67. So this is worth really good. So here it is. I'll just open it for you. And the color here is Pink Lady. So pink is a good color, I guess. Like it's not blue or green. And the picture of it is like that. And you can't like the picture. So I'm a bit confused. I think this is meant to be a wreath. There should be a lid over it that goes over it. So you can twist it up like a lipstick. Color's really nice. But yeah, this one still has a lid. I don't mind. I don't really take lipstick out if you use lipstick. So all the lipstick I'll be using at home, so that doesn't really bother me. But I know for some people, getting lipstick with no lid is kind of, it does bother them. But $67, so that's really good. So all together, I already got $137 in total amount. The next one we've got here is the Suaso Overnight Vitalizing Face Mask. So this one, I like this one because it's an overnight face mask. You put it on as the last step of your facial routine, and you leave it overnight and rinse it off in the morning. So I love these kind of masks because I don't have to, put it on, wash it off, which I get annoyed with. This is worth $17.50. Then we've got the More lip balm. This is the Blood Orange Lip Macaron. It's really cute. I've never used this brand before. I think people say that all this stuff smells really nice. I'm looking forward to using this. I don't really use my lip balm. My boyfriend does, but I don't think he wants to take a pink one around. So I've got more there. Then the last product I got, really popular brand, Laneige. This is the Radiant C Cream, which is good. So it's a really cute little bottle there. This is not full size. This is $12.50. So this is the best-selling vitamin C cream from Laneige, which will be the best daily moisturizer for all skin types. So I haven't used Laneige moisturizer before, so I look forward to using this one. And I do love a little bottle. So cute, isn't it? So the total value, you can get up to $239. I did it because I didn't get the cushion, because if you got the cushion, you'll get up to $239. My one's about my one's about $180, which is pretty good still. So yeah, so those are all the products for this month inside this box. Really happy with it again, as per usual. And then there's a sneak peek for March, but I think they did already give this. Oh no, they didn't. So Quarterly is one of my favorite brands. I do like Quarterly. They do have really nice brands. We did get a Quarterly product in October before. I think it's the Mist. This one is the Foaming Cleanser. I do love cleanser, and this is full size, 150 mils. So that's a sneak peek for March. So that's pretty much it. That's all my products for the month of March for CozmoBox. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And hopefully my Shane Dawson Piggy backpack bundle that I ordered is going to arrive soon. It's a small one. It's not backpack. The Shane Dawson handbag bundle. So the last time I got 2 of the backpack bundle, because it's got a big pig, which I think is really cute. However, this time I got 1, and this is a handbag bundle because I don't know if the value is there, and from looking at the videos, he usually gives the same thing, and I don't want to duplicate things. I do hope he doesn't give us conspiracy palette, because I've got heaps of that from the Jeffree Star sale. But yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry I didn't put makeup on today. As I mentioned, I haven't been feeling well. Hopefully I can get back to my normal rhythm, so I can film more videos for you. And I am in the hunt for a really good subscription box for myself and for my boyfriend. If you don't know, my boyfriend also has a YouTube channel. The difference is he's YouTubing pop figures and gaming stuff, and I'm YouTubing everything beauty, everything to do with beauty. So yeah, thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Other than that, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.